Watch this.
117 AD, 5,000 Roman soldiers marched north into the Scottish fog. They never come back. That eagle was the soul of the 9th Legion, the most decorated, most feared legion Rome had ever put into the field. The 9th had fought across Spain, North Africa, and Gaul.
Everything in this video, the script, the visuals, the voice, the editing, was made by AI. No camera, no face, no writer, and not $1 spent. Just 2 free tools working together, Google's NotebookLM and Claude. In the next 10 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how I built this video from start to finish in under 1 hour. This same workflow is quietly powering some of the fastest growing faceless YouTube channels right now, channels making 4 to 5 figures a month from AdSense alone, and almost nobody is talking about it. So if you have been waiting for the right moment to start your faceless YouTube channel, this is it. Stay with me. By the end of this video, you will have everything you need to build your first faceless channel. Welcome back to AIPreneur, and let us get into it step by step. Step 1, ideation. This is where most people fail before they even start. Here's the truth nobody tells you about. You don't need a brand new idea. You need a proven one. And NotebookLM is the tool that finds them for you. The fastest way to grow a channel in 2026 is to study what is already working in your niche and then make a better version of it. And we are going to use NotebookLM to do exactly that. So open Google Chrome, search for NotebookLM, and click the official Google website. Hit Try NotebookLM. It is 100% free. Sign in with any Gmail account, then click Create New Notebook. Now pick your niche. For this video, I am building a history documentary channel. So I'm heading to YouTube and I'm searching for World War II mystery documentary, looking for videos with millions of views. I am going to grab the links of 4 or 5 of these viral videos. Just click the 3-dot then share button, copy the link back in NotebookLM. Click YouTube as the source type, paste each link and hit insert. And here's where the magic happens. In under 2 minutes, NotebookLM reads every transcript, analyzes every hook, and understands every story beat. Now, type this one simple prompt. That analysis, every source is linked, and hit send. In a few moments, NotebookLM delivers me the viral blueprint of every video I just uploaded, the exact formula those creators are using to keep viewers watching for more minutes. This is gold. This is the structural DNA of viral content in your niche. Click Save to Notes so we can use this in the next step. That is the ideation part. 5 minutes and it is done. You now have a proven blueprint built from real viral videos. Not a wild guess, but a blueprint is worthless without a script that actually makes people stop scrolling. That is where the next step coming. Step 2, script writing. The next step is to turn that blueprint into a viral script. And this is where Claude comes in. So go to claude.ai, sign up for free with any Gmail account, and click New Chat. Now copy the entire blueprint NotebookLM gave you, paste it into Claude, then add this prompt below it, and hit Enter. In about 30 seconds, Claude delivers a fully storytelling script with strong hooks, cliffhangers, and emotional moments, written exactly in the style of those proven viral videos with smooth and natural human voice. Read it once, tweak any lines that feel off to you, adjust the hook if it is not strong enough, then copy the final version into a notepad file and save it. Now you have a killer script, but words alone don't go viral on YouTube. The next step is what turns this into a video people actually watch. Step 3, visuals production. Now it is time to bring this story to life, and we're gonna do it with 2 free tools, Nano Banana for images and VO3 for animation. But before we make anything, go back to your Claude chat, the same one we just used, and paste this prompt and hit enter. In a few moments, Claude writes a perfect scene-by-scene visual breakdown of the entire video. Copy the first image prompt and head to Google Flow, click New Project, and select Image Generation. Paste your first image prompt from Claude. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, that is the perfect YouTube format, and hit Generate. In about few seconds, Google Flow start generating your image. Now here is a pro tip most people miss. To keep your images consistent throughout the video, same character, same lighting, same style, and same look, use the first image you generated as your master reference and your visual DNA for the entire video. So click on the 3 dots on that image and select Add to Prompt. Just like that, The image is now attached to your next prompt as a visual reference. Now type your next scene in the prompt box and hit generate. And boom, the new image keeps the same armor, same lighting, same style. Repeat this trick for every new scene by adding your master image to the prompt every single time. When you finish, save them in your desktop and move to the next part. By the way, if you are still with me at this point, you are already ahead of 90% of people who try to start an AI channel. They quit before getting here. So pay close attention to what comes next, because this is the part that actually makes your channel feel real. All right, now it is time to bring those images to life. We are gonna animate every single one into a smooth, cinematic video clip. In Google Flow, click on Video VO 3.1 tab and drag your first image. In the prompt box, paste your first animation prompt and hit generate. In about 30 seconds, you have a smooth 8-second cinematic clip powered by VEO 3.1. It looks expensive. It looks professional. Cost you $0. Now, one quick note. The free plan from Google Flow adds a small VEO watermark in the corner of your video. Do not worry about it. In the editing step, I will show you how to crop it out in CapCut in 3 seconds. Download it and repeat this process for every image until you finish. That is your full visual library. Cinematic clips, $0 spent. However, cinematic visuals without a strong voice feel empty. Here is the free tool that gives your video the soul it needs. Step 4, voiceover creation. The voice is what makes a documentary feel real, and we are using 11 Labs for this. So go to 11labs.io, sign up free. The free plan gives you 10,000 characters per month, plenty for a few full videos. Click text to speech on the homepage. Open your notepad file from earlier, copy your entire script, and paste it there. Now pick a voice. For history, documentaries, you want a deep, calm, and authoritative tone. A voice that sounds like it knows what it's talking about. I personally use Nox Dark or Anthony. They sound serious, trustworthy, and perfect for storytelling. Click Generate Speech. In about 20 seconds, your full voiceover is ready. Just download the MP3, and like that, your voiceover is done. Script, visuals, voice, all done. Now comes the part where it all comes together into one finished video. Step 5, assemble everything in CapCut. Now, it is time to bring everything together. Honestly, this is the easiest part of the entire process. Open CapCut. It is free, works on any computer. Click New Project and drag your 11 Labs voiceover onto the audio track underneath. Now, add your VEO video clips onto the timeline in order. Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on, all the way through. Here is the key. Sync the clips to the voice. When the script mentions a Roman soldier, the soldier clip plays. When it mentions a battlefield, the battlefield clip plays. Visuals match the words. That is what keeps viewers watching. Add a smooth transition between every clip. For documentaries, I always use black fade. It feels cinematic and serious. Click apply, then add it to all your videos. Quick fix on the VEO watermark I mentioned earlier. Select all your clips and then zoom in and drag the bottom right corner up just slightly. Now go to text, then add auto captions. Pick a clean style and highlight keywords like in a different color. This is what keeps eyes locked on the screen for the full 12 minutes. Last thing, add the background music. Go to Pixabay, YouTube library, or any free music source you have. Search for cinematic documentary track and download a one. Drop it on the music track at about 20% volume, and that is it. Finally, export your video at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Your full documentary video is ready to upload. So there it is. There is it, the complete system. NotebookLM for ideation, Claude for script writing, Nano Banana for visuals, VEO for animation, 11 Labs for voice, CapCut for editing. 6 free tools and 1 full documentary video in under an hour. The only thing left now is execution. So do this today. Pick your niche, open NotebookLM, and build your first video this week. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop a new AI money tutorial every single week. Remember, the video you saw in the first 10 seconds of this tutorial that was built with this exact system in under an hour and free. Now it is your turn. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.